Hello, welcome back. Today, we're modeling a small modern house in Blender, SketchUp, and Rhino. If you're subscribed, let's jump right in.
Box. 0 enter. 800. 400. 300.
Rectangle. 800 semicolon 400. Push-pull. 300.
Edit mode. Scale. X. 4. Scale. Y. 2. Scale. Z. 1.5.
Shell.
Offset. 20. Push-pull. 280.
Inset. 20. Extrude. Minus 280.
Polyline. 20.
Line. 20.
Loop cut. Left click. Right click. Wireframe. Loop cut. Snapping. Solid.
Push-pull. 350. Push-pull. 300.
Push-pull. 350. 300. Erase.
Extrude. 350. Extrude. 300.
Split face. ISO curves. Toggle. Hold Ctrl plus Shift to select the edge. Move. 250.
Line. Move. 250.
Loop cut. Left click. Right click. Move. Z. 250.
Hold Ctrl plus Shift to select the edges. Slab. 20. 100. Boolean union.
Offset. 20. Push-pull. 100.
Duplicate. Right click. Extrude. Z. 100. Face selection mode. Offset. Minus 20. Offset even.
Inset. Distance. 20. Push-pull.
Offset. 20. Push-pull.
Delete. Dissolve edges. Face selection mode. Inset. 20. Extrude. Snapping.
Hold Ctrl plus Shift to select the edge. Hold Alt to copy. 20. Push-pull.
Move. Press Ctrl to copy. 20. Push-pull.
Edge selection mode. Extrude. Y. -20. Face selection mode. Extrude. Snapping.
Planar surface.
Ctrl plus C. Triple-click the model. Right-click. Make group. Edit. Paste in place. Line.
Edge selection mode. Fill.
Split face. ISO curves. Toggle.
Line.
Right-click. Subdivide. Vertex selection mode. Knife. Z. X. Z. Connect. Connect. Right-click. Subdivide. Knife. X. Face selection mode. Split.
Inset. Distance, 5.
Offset. 5. Double-click.
Select linked. Inset. 5.
Extract surface. Move. 15. Extrude. -2. Merge all coplanar faces. Offset surface. Flip. 20.
Erase. Select the face. Right-click. Make group. Hold Shift to deselect the model. Right-click. Make group. Move. 15. Double-click on the group. Push-pull. 2. Double-click. Close the group. Double-click on the group. Push-pull. 20.
Split. Move. Y. -15. Extrude. 2. Select linked. Extrude. -20.
Zoom extents. Box. -51. Hold Ctrl plus Shift to select the edge. Copy. -170. Push-pull. 120.
Zoom extents. Rectangle. Push-pull. -51. Move. Press Ctrl to copy. 170. Push-pull. 120.
Edge selection mode. Fill. Separate. Selection. Object mode. Edit mode. Vertex selection mode. Delete. Dissolve vertices. Face selection mode. Extrude. 51. Loop cut. Face selection mode. Extrude. 120.
Hold Alt to copy. 17. Copy. 17. Push-pull. 60. 30. Select curves. Delete.
Move. Copy. /3, enter. Push-pull. 60. 30.
Loop cut. Scroll the mouse wheel. Left click. Right click. Face selection mode. Extrude. 30. Extrude. 30.
Rectangle. Vertical. 90. 220. Move. -40. Push-pull. Delete.
Tape measure. 40. 90. 220. Double-click on the group. Rectangle. Push-pull. Erase.
Object mode. Edit mode. Loop cut. Scale. X. 0. Move. X. Bevel. 45. Face selection mode. Wireframe. Solid. Extrude menu. Extrude manifold. 220.
Rectangle. Vertical. 90. 220. Move. -20. Push-pull. Delete. Merge all coplanar faces. Zoom extents.
Tape measure. 40. 90. 220. Double-click on the group. Rectangle. Push-pull. Erase. Erase. Zoom extents.
Fill. Face selection mode. Separate. Selection. Object mode. Edit mode. Edge selection mode. Cursor menu. Cursor to selected. Object mode. Object menu. Set origin. Origin to 3D cursor. Right-click. Cursor menu. Selection to cursor. Rotate. Z. 90. Move. Y. Snap. Move. Y. 20. Edit mode. Select all. Extrude. Object mode. Edit. Difference. Modifiers. Apply modifier. Delete.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.